Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get Roblox Image ID. First, understand that Image ID are crucial for customizing your games and assets within the Roblox platform. This method is the most reliable and straightforward way to obtain these unique identifiers, ensuring you can always find the exact image you need for your projects. We will cover the entire process step by step, making it easy to follow along. The first step is to locate the image you want to use directly on the Roblox platform. This could be a decal, a texture, or any visual asset found within the Creator Marketplace or on a specific games page. Make sure the image is publicly accessible and not a private asset, as you will need to interact with its web presence to extract its unique identifier. Take your time to find the perfect visual. Once you have located your desired image, right-click on it and select Open Image in New tab. Look at the URL in the new tab. You will see a long numerical sequence. This sequence, typically consisting of 9 to 10 digits, is your image ID. Copy this number. Alternatively, you can use the Inspect tool to find the ID within the image's HTML code, usually associated with the Asset ID property. With your image ID successfully extracted, you can now integrate it into your Roblox projects. Simply copy the numerical ID and paste it into the appropriate property field within Roblox Studio. Whether you are applying a new texture to a part, adding a decal to a surface, or designing user interface elements, this unique identifier ensures your chosen image is correctly displayed. This method provides precise control over your visual assets.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.